This is the building. It's on a residential road here, ample street parking. It's a fourplex building. It does have secure mail and packages. Mail goes here. They put the packages inside the door. This is like a common area. Unit is here. It has gotten brand new laminate flooring. You have some closet space here just inside. We are still working on a few things. Brand new carpet. Pretty big bedroom with large windows. Closet. Bathroom is mostly done. It's got a new vanity, new flooring. Just trying to finish up the paint and put some new towel bars. Kitchen has new stain on the island. We're putting in new butcher block for the cabinet top and re-tiling the backsplash. Oven goes at the end here. Fridge goes in this spot. Again, new flooring. You have some cool built-in cabinetry and such up high and down low. Really good windows with privacy for the greenbelt as well as the patio. I would call this the master bedroom. It's very large. Again, has really big windows out onto the greenbelt. Fireplace does not function, but it provides kind of a cool focal point. And it has one really large closet that goes all the way down the span here. Unit does not have laundry in unit. However, you can either get to laundry out through the front, or there is a secure middle door inside the unit right here that takes you down a stairwell. To where you get to washer and dryer that are coin operated. Some tenants are using this space as storage. And then if you were to access through the side of the building, there's a little courtyard area here that goes out through this gate on the side. And then we are back out front of the building.